Today, we turn to a major breaking story that could change the course of world affairs. Israel has launched a direct military attack on Iran, a history of high tensions. Israel and Iran have long been on opposite sides of Middle Eastern geopolitics. Iran's nuclear program, support for armed groups like Hezbollah and Hamas, and its growing influence in Syria and Iraq have made it a constant threat in Israeli eyes. In response, Israel has often engaged in covert sabotage, cyber attacks, and airstrikes against Iranian targets, especially in Syria. But this time, it's different. The attack. What happened? In the early hours of the morning, Israeli forces launched a surprise strike targeting Iran's nuclear facilities and military bases. Reports suggest missiles and drones were used to strike areas near Isfahan and Natanz, critical sites in Iran's nuclear infrastructure. Multiple explosions were reported, and Iranian air defense systems responded with heavy fire. Iranian media confirmed that some military targets were hit with several casualties, though exact numbers remain uncertain. Footage circulating online shows flames lighting up the sky and sirens wailing in major cities. Possible reasons behind the strike. This sudden move may have been triggered by recent escalations, possibly Iranian-backed groups attacking Israeli interests or fresh intelligence that Iran was nearing a nuclear weapons capability. With diplomacy at a standstill, Israel may have decided to act unilaterally to stop what it sees as an existential threat. It also comes amid internal political pressure within Israel, where leadership may be seeking to show strength both to the public and to Iran's allies. Iran's response: tensions rise. Iran has vowed a strong and immediate response. The Iranian military has been placed on full alert, and its allies in the region, especially Hezbollah in Lebanon, may be preparing for coordinated retaliation. A counterattack could target Israeli cities or bases, and there are fears of a wider regional war. For now, both countries are bracing for what comes next. Global reactions. The international community is urging restraint. The United Nations, United States, and European Union have all called for calm and warned of the consequences of further escalation. Oil prices have already surged, and markets are reacting nervously. China and Russia, key Iranian allies, have condemned the Israeli attack, while many Western countries have expressed concern about a full-scale conflict. What's at stake? This confrontation isn't just about two countries. A full-blown war between Israel and Iran could disrupt global oil supplies, ignite proxy wars across the region, accelerate nuclear proliferation, push the Middle East into chaos. Both sides have powerful allies and complex networks of influence. If the situation worsens, it could draw in nations far beyond the region. Final thoughts. This moment marks one of the most dangerous points in the Israel-Iran conflict. What began as years of shadow warfare may now become an open war with devastating consequences. Here at Auto Insights, we will continue monitoring how this conflict affects not only global stability but also the industries, energy supplies, and economies connected to it. Stay updated. Stay informed. Subscribe to Auto Insights for ongoing coverage and critical analysis of global events impacting our world.